Okay, this is an interesting find. That I thought it said option 1 and option 7, but it was pretty dark. So I read that wrong, unfortunately. So when I looked in this option 7's, the spectrum analyzer, and I'm hoping it's not a hardware plug-in. But yeah, so it looks like it's just the one machine. So I don't know if there's a card or anything, but interesting. This is another just amazing just to have it, to see about repairing for parts, and you know, I don't know whatever will become of it, but I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to see what happens. Okay, I plugged in and I turned, there's a power button on the back, so it lines in. I didn't even power it on, and it automatically turned on. Holy crap, this looks like it's working. So batteries, SRAM battery, no check, batteries empty. Oh wow. So there's probably no memory, but we'll see. I wonder what's happens after there's no memory. It just doesn't boot into anything, I'm guessing. Huh. This is a floppy drive system, and this will be interesting to see how to connect it to, since there's no memory, then I don't know. I wonder if there's a drive. It must not have a hard drive or a drive in here. So, yeah, interesting. Not much past that. So I'll have to read into, but wow, interesting. Power's on. That's another bonus for, you know, crazy, like $5. That's nuts. I mean, like, that's just nuts. So anyways, but yeah, it's a pretty much almost a boat anchor for now. Might be, I couldn't find any manuals, there's no software, and I'll see what's on the market. But if there's option 7, if that's a totally firmware or a memory chip or somewhere software application wise, that would be sweet. This would be kind of cool to have that functionality. A little bulky, but it's okay. Alrighty, let's see what the next one's like that I can power up.